Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Kia Forte brake rotor warping and potential causes. Brake rotors are essential for smooth and safe braking performance. Some Kia Forte models may experience warped rotors over time, especially under certain driving conditions. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. Verified causes include excessive heat buildup from frequent hard braking, riding the brakes on steep inclines, and normal wear and tear over time. Older generations may have rotors that are more prone to heat-related warping due to material thickness or design. AI-generated potential causes may include uneven torque from lug nuts, caliper sticking, or improper installation of rotors. These are possibilities and not confirmed facts for every Kia Forte. Possible solutions involve resurfacing or replacing warped rotors, ensuring proper torque on lug nuts, and maintaining brake calipers in good condition. Some owners may notice pulsation in the brake pedal, vibrations during braking, or unusual noise, but symptoms can vary by model year. Rotors should be inspected regularly during brake service and replaced according to manufacturer recommendations. Maintaining correct driving habits, such as avoiding excessive hard braking, can help reduce the risk of rotor warping. Brake performance can vary depending on driving style, vehicle load, and environmental conditions. Regular maintenance following Kia's guidelines helps ensure safe and consistent braking. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.